How to create and run ads for Instagram fast and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create and run ads for Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can open up your Instagram.com or you can open up your business.facebook.com. Business.facebook.com is also known as Meta Business Suite. As we know, Instagram and Facebook both are owned by Meta. Meta provides us this business hub where we can create ads for Facebook and for Instagram as well. The Instagram ads are also known as Facebook ads. In order to create an ad, what you guys need to do is you will select the profile right here. Make sure that you have connected your Instagram business to your Meta Business Suite. Or you can add your account right here by clicking on create a business account. Once you have selected the profile that you have on Instagram, I have this page, you have to click on ads. It will take you to the ads manager. Click on create ad. Now you have to select a goal. So I'm going to promote my page. Now you have to enter the description for the ad. Added different options where you will be able to select the category. Then we have the audience. You can also schedule your ads when you want to run them. Select your daily budget. You will also be able to see how many people you are reaching with the ad, page likes, and other things. It will also show you your payment summary. Add a payment method. Get a preview of your ad that you are creating right here. Add photos and videos. And your ad will be created on Facebook and on Instagram as well. You can, of course, select if you do not want to run this ad on Facebook and just on Instagram. So this is the easiest way to create ads for your Instagram business page. And after that, you will be able to see all of the ads in this section and manage them. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.